guys, it's Miss Jessica. Today we're going to go for a nature walk and look for signs of spring. And my daughter, Evie, is going to help us.
Hello, can you see me?
Okay, Evie, you lead the way.
Here's one sign of spring. Everything's blooming. You see, the trees are blooming. And this should be.
Oh, how about that?
Look, the flowers are blooming.
So we have some flowers. Let's see what else we have.
Come on. I know a good spot. Come follow me. I know a good spot that we can show somewhere. The sun is shining is another thing.
Okay, wait. So if we turn around, we don't want to look straight into it. But you can see the sun is up there. And it's 6 o'clock and the sun is still out.
It's 6 o'clock?
And listen, be quiet for a second. Can you hear the birds?
You can hear the birds and ambulance sirens.
You can hear a lot of birds. The birds start to make nests in the spring. So as the weather gets warmer, we're going to see more birds. And if you look here,
you see all of
the
these
flowers are starting to grow and things are starting to get leaves on them. And look, if you look over here, I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah. I have a better spot where you can see where the actual bud is.
That is a daffodil.
I know more daffodil.
And look at that tree up there.
Wait, I want to show it. This is called a cherry blossom. This is where I'm sitting.
So there's the cherry blossom tree.
Daffodil. And look, there are flowers blooming right here. And behind the daffodil is a pink flower and a purple one.
Good job.
As you can see. And these are shrubs are blooming. And look. Look at this.
What do you think that is?
I think this is a dandelion.
Yes, I agree. I think this is going to become a dandelion. All right, let's look for one more thing, and then we're going to have to head back, okay?
That tree.
Cherry blossoms.
Cherry blossom, that's what I said.
And look, there's more flowers here starting to bloom.
A bunch. Look at these. These are already blooming.
You're right.
Look! Cherry blossom leaves.
The
leaves are falling off the tree.
All right, Evie, we're going to stop here and go around the corner, and then we'll start back up, okay?